Please subscribe and click the bell icon for every new video.
We all know that Google Home is a beautiful product as the smart assistant device which will enable multiple options, multiple functions just through the voice command. But the one drawback of this is it is much pricey for any consumer to go for it. What if we'll get similar kind of device but at a cheaper price? So let's see this one. This is also a product, a device, a smart speaker which has Google Assistant function inbuilt, and you can use it as the Google Home or as the Google Home Mini. Hi friends, welcome back to Gadgets India. I'm your host CK, and in this video we'll do the unboxing and share the review of Zolo Mojo speaker, which is just a smart speaker powered with Google Assistant built-in. The packing is pretty nice, pretty premium. On the top, picture of the speaker. It is manufactured by Anker. On the right side of the pack, it is embossed, which says compact size, powerful sound. On this side, all the cues how to use it as a smart speaker, and this side, pictures of how it can be helpful as a smart home speaker. The packing is beautiful. Inside this velvety cushion pack, this is the speaker. Compact, small, light. In this one, we get the charging cable and couple of paperwork. The speaker itself is compact, small. It's made up of plastic. This perforated surrounding of the plastic is for the sound to come out. Zolo branding on the side. This button is to on or off the microphone. There are 2 points on the top for the microphone. On the back there is one button for the Bluetooth function. This one is the point for the power in, and this is the indicator for power in. And the bottom is having the rubberized cushion to make a firm grip when you place it on the table surface. The power cable is Australian type flat pin, and this is the point to insert here to get it connected. Now let's see how good this as a smart speaker after connecting it to power source. In order to activate this speaker, you just need to use the Google Home application and add this one as another speaker. In this case, I have added it as bedroom speaker, and let's see how it is working. Okay Google, what is the time now?
It's 7:52.
So as you see, it is working beautiful. Now let's ask it for some song to be played. Okay Google, play some song.
Show music on Ghana. Here you go.
So in this one also you can increase or decrease the volume by sliding your finger on this bottom side of the surface from left to right to increase or right to left to decrease the volume. And to play or pause, you just need to tap on this. This is just like another Google Home speaker, but this is small, but sound is good and it is cheaper. At 2000 rupees, you will not get better than this speaker. This one also comes with the ready-made Bluetooth button here on the back side, which you need to press to activate the Bluetooth mode. Just click it. Now here the blue blink is there. You need to explore this one in your smartphone to get it connected. Now in my smartphone it is showing as bedroom speaker. Let me tap to connect. It is connected. Now I'm playing this music in the speaker through Bluetooth connection. Here also, on tap of this top surface, it will play or pause the song irrespective of it is in Bluetooth connection mode or it is in Wi-Fi mode.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Now I must tell, as a small speaker, the sound is pretty loud. So I cannot say that it is competing with this big Google Home speaker, but the sound is sufficient enough to make a bedroom or a living room filled with audio throughout the hall or throughout the room equally. Now as we are approaching a technical era where we will be able to use multiple speakers in multiple rooms in our house, so we should go for the cheaper option also. There is one more speaker, which is this one, GGMM E, and this one is enabled with Alexa. So in the market there are multiple options you can find. This one is a speaker which is enabled with Google Assistant feature and it is available at 2000 rupees. This one is GGMM E2 speaker which is available at 3000 rupees and it is enabled with Alexa, and it is much cheaper and sounds much better than Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. And this one is our old but good Google Home. So now the choice is yours. If you really want to buy a cheaper product, I have shared the link in the description section for these two. You can check the site and avail it. Thanks for watching this episode of Gadgets India. For more of such episodes, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And while subscribing, please press the bell icon to be notified for every new video we upload. Have a good day.